You own a Chevy truck and you got spark plug wires that need to be replaced. I'm gonna get in here, get them swapped out. Let's get in here and get it done. Trust me, I'm a mechanic. So if you're changing out the spark plugs on these trucks down in here, get you some new spark plug wires while you're at it. ACDelco, I'll show you the part numbers of those. Get in there, get them. These last 100K miles too. With those Iridiums, you should be able to get 100K miles out of this. And the spark plugs, get them changed out while you're in there, man. Get that thing fixed up. You should be good to go for years and years and years. Probably the rest of the life that you're gonna own a vehicle. I mean, you know. All right, so plug wires, ACDelco. I write my warranties on the box. 9748HH, those are the longer ones. GG or shorter. It depends what coils you have. Some of these trucks have round coils. Some of these trucks have square coils. Come over here. It's a Delphi box here. Now these are shorter too. Some of the trucks, they don't have ACDelco part numbers. Not sure why that is. You gotta get the Delphi ones, but hey, they work. Same thing. So you see we got an 06 right here. We got square coils down in there on the 06. These plug wires are longer. They always break every time you get in there. Either the wire rips out of the back of the rubber plug boot that goes on the spark plug, or the connectors snap off, or both of them. You know, they get stuck on there. They got that metal shield around there, so you can't just grab around the boot and pull it off with regular spark plug pliers and stuff like that. The metal shields get in the way. I'm guessing some guys just leave them off. I always put them back on, but they do cause a problem when you go to remove these spark plugs every time. We're gonna come over to the formerly abandoned Chevy Avalanche, and of course we're gonna take a look at it. We're gonna see what those coils are looking like. I already know they're round coils, but you know, I figured I'd show y'all. See, there you go. Those are round coils right there. And what do you know? Those spark plug wires are shorter for sure. So you just gotta look at the coils up here, see what you got. So, you know, round coils, short wires, square coils, long wires. Just depends. It's an 02 Vortec V8. Boom. So here's the wires right here. Different length, different wires. Square coil right here, longer. Then we got that shorter coil wire right there for the round coil. Here we go. Just gotta take a look, know what you're looking at before you get them off. And yes, you read it right. Some of these plug wires have lifetime warranties. You can swap them out after 100,000 miles. But the plugs themselves for these trucks, I believe the Iridium ones have like a 7-year warranty. So the plugs aren't lifetime, but the wires are lifetime. So, you know, you run into a bit of a conundrum there, but they are warranted parts. Keep that in mind too. That's it for the video, guys. Let me know down below what y'all do to get these spark plug wires off. You know, yank them off, flathead screwdriver, needle nose pliers. If y'all have a way to save these wires, let me know. I want to know down below. If y'all got a trick or technique, unfortunately, you just got to break them off, replace them with a fresh set of wires. Later.